theta. Whatever your reference angle is, here's theta, here's alpha. Technically theta has an arrow up here, alpha has an arrow down here. For number 2, here's theta, here's alpha. So here alpha is going to be 180 degrees minus theta. 180 minus your theta takes you to this space right here. 3, quadrant 3, here's theta, here's alpha. Alpha is the shortest distance back to the x-axis, yes? So here alpha is going to be theta minus 180, because you're starting at theta and you have to go back to 180. And then 4, here's theta, here's alpha. Alpha is going to be 360 degrees minus theta. Now you could also convert all of these to radians. Nothing really changes for quadrant 1, but here alpha will be pi minus theta. Here alpha will be theta minus pi, and in quadrant 4 alpha will be 2 pi minus theta. Just convert them to radians. Alright? So really nothing crazy going on, just a vocabulary lesson basically. It's just understanding what a reference angle is and how to find it. Okay? Alright, so there are a couple of things on the special angles on the next page here. But on this, I'm actually going to have you do this on your own. What I would like you to do is on your own go through and fill these things out. Now I will tell you to go ahead and start it off. These are your unit circles, just instead of laying on top of one another and having all these lines going everywhere, they're split up. This is your 45-degree sections or your pi over 4 sections. These down here are your pi over 3 or 30-degree sections. So what I mean by that is it starts at 0 here, 0 degrees, 0 radians, and work your way around. So you know this is 180, right? This is 270, this is 90, this is 45. Down here, you know that this is 0 degrees, this is 90 degrees, so this is going to be 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and basically just fill in your degrees and radians. Alright? It's not going to be very complicated. Just fill in your degrees and radians, and we should be set. Now when you get to your homework, I've checked ahead on the homework, and everything is going to be the exact same as it was on the notes. There's nothing crazy. So on this one, we'll discuss some of the homework questions when we get into class.